Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting by making sure the basics are ready. Install pending Windows updates and restart, because Office updates often depend on OS patches. Once done, sign in to Office with the Microsoft account tied to your license so updates apply correctly. Now open an Office app like Word using right-click Run as administrator. This ensures the updater can write files. This first step prevents permission errors and lets the Office updater check your current build before downloading. You'll now trigger the Office update. Go to File, Account, then Update Options and choose Update Now so the app checks Microsoft servers. If your Office uses Click to Run, it will download and install automatically. Let it run while you continue other work, but avoid closing the app. If your Dell has an MSI-style install, open Windows Settings Update and Security Windows Update and include Microsoft Update to fetch Office patches. This difference matters because Click to Run and MSI use separate update channels. Finish by restarting the Dell to complete file swaps and service restarts. That final reboot finalizes the update. If Office won't update, run Programs and Features, select Microsoft Office, then Repair. Start with Quick Repair and move to Online Repair if needed, because Online Repair reinstalls missing components. If downloads stall, make sure you have sufficient disk space and a stable network, and temporarily disable VPN or proxy. These steps resolve most common update blockers quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.